Good morning, I am JVN Dr. Suman, Assistant Professor of English FEM, Education Department. Today we are going to take the topic Creative Environment for Reading. Yesterday we have stopped on the topic Literacy Meaning. Literacy meaning is not only writing and reading, literacy meaning is beyond that. It's mean comprehension, knowledge of something. So that is literacy meaning. So same is the case when we are going to read some more than books only, more than entertaining more books which we take interest ourselves. But beyond that we want to study something. So for that we have to create a kind of environment for the better reading. So number one is we should line our shelves. Number one, line shelves with interesting books. Our shelves should be filled up with the interesting books should be there. They should be arranged in that manner. The people should take the interest and the shelf should be occupied with this. So number one is this. Second one is create reading habit. To create reading as a habit. We should inculcate the habit of reading in child or student. If the reading habit is there from the beginning, they will start taking the interest in teaching, in reading, because the topic is reading one. So if they're putting it as a habit of reading, so definitely it will work out in their reading. They will pay more attention toward the reading. Now third point is creating atmosphere. The environment, the atmosphere should be very much creative, very much interesting, so that student can take the interest in the reading. Like how can they can go for the decoration of the room. They can decorate the atmosphere. They can decoration the atmosphere or the environment. But it should not be that much decorative also. If you are going too much decorative environment, so it will distract the mind of the students. Rather than what they can do, they can go for the bulletin boards. They can go for the bulletin boards. What is the work of bulletin boards? Bulletin boards will be highlighting something. They color the point. So they can color the point and the student can start taking the interest in that. Number 4. So this is number 3rd. Number 4, they can go for the some kind of keep it fresh. Means they can go for the freshing up. They can fresh their work. The keep it fresh. What do you mean by keep it fresh? Means the work, the books which are arranged, so it has to be in fresh manner. Means there should be kind of bullet. There should be some kind of reviews, like monthly reviews. Weekly. So there should be some kind of reviews, some theme should be there. So reading space has to be more creative if there is some kind of weekly and monthly themes are there. And to make these themes, we should encourage the students to make the themes on the base of their interest. For example, they have interest in some kind of characters related with their animation program, or some central character of historical points. So they can take the interest from, they can take the example from those points. For example, Dogman. Dogman is a character. So such kind of themes they can make so that it can be more easier for them. Next is embrace light, space and comfort. So number 5th is embrace light, space and comfort. As the line is very much clearly written that there should be enough space to read something. If there is lots of space, they can read properly. If there is a light, if light is there, you should sit near the window, so the proper light can come over there. And if the proper light is not available, so you can take the help of 2-3 electric lights. Obviously lights are electric. I mean to say some kind of mode of light, like table lamp and all. 3-4 you can use them. Then there should be enough comfort zone, but it should not be that much comfort that you start enjoying or you start sleeping over there. The comfort should be on appropriate manner. Now there should be arranged books. 6th one is arrangement. The book should be arranged in a proper manner. It should not be piled up. The more it is arranged, more it would be systematic, more you will take the interest into that. For example, scholastic book wizard. Scholastic book wizard is a best method to keep the book in an arranged manner. With the help of this, you can keep your books in an arranged manner. So these are the few tips. With the help of these, you can create a kind of interest in reading. So thank you for today. We'll meet in the next class.